Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Honeywell Home T10 Thermostat and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one being troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this thermostat not working, not controlling the heat or the cool properly, if it seems to be not connecting or not syncing or whatever with your devices, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set it up again because it will all be wiped clear. But that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to get a fresh start on this thermostat, like it's just coming out of the box new for whatever reason, we can go ahead and do this quite easily. All we need to do is come in and select the menu button. And from the menu button, we're going to scroll down to thermostat information. And then we're going to record the date code. And then we're going to go back. And then from there, we're going to scroll down to installer options. And then from installer options, we're going to enter that date code when it asks us to enter our password. Once we do that, we're going to select reset. And then after that, we'll select factory reset. Once we do that, everything will be wiped off and it will be like it was when it came out of the box, and we can set it up as a new thermostat.